First, the price gets squeezed into a super tight range. Check, that was this entire week. Second, you get leverage building up on both sides. Check, we just saw that on the heat maps. We are right on the edge of the final steps, a price deviation towards one of those magnet zones, which will trigger a violent cascade event. If you're finding this breakdown useful, let us know by dropping a like.
And here's another way to look at it, a visual representation of those two massive opposing walls of money, the long liquidation pool and the short liquidation pool. They are nearly identical in scale. A huge amount of capital is sitting at risk here, ready to be completely wiped out on either side of this trade.
And that brings us right back to the core, multi-billion-dollar question. Which wall is going to break first? The really crucial point here is that the on-chain data confirms that a big volatility move is almost certain. The only thing we don't know is the direction.
So let's just recap the key takeaways. 1. This market calm is totally deceptive. 2. There are billions in leverage trapped in a tiny range. 3. The price is magnetized to these huge liquidation zones both above and below. And 4. A major volatility event isn't a question of if, it's really a question of when. To stay on top of which way this spring uncoils, make sure you're following us on X for real-time updates. Subscribe and drop a like below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.